Hey, in this video we're gonna show you the most futuristic ideas where you can find QR codes currently worldwide. QR codes give a digital dimension to your products and services as they bring offline engagements into online conversions. Not having a QR code is a big loss of opportunity for innovative marketers.
In this video, we will show you the most futuristic ideas where QR codes are currently being used that amazed innovators around the globe. Number 1. The latest drone show in Shanghai. Towards the end of the show, drones formed a huge QR code to celebrate the anniversary of a game called Princess Connect Redive by Psy Games. After scanning the QR code, it will redirect you to the H5 page of the game. Number 2. Victoria's Secret fashion show. During the live show, they added a QR code on the screen where people can scan the QR code and will be redirected to Fashion TV, where they can find all the details of the show. Number 3. The Burger King commercial, where people need to catch the QR code in order to get a free Whopper. And also in MTV VMAs, where they featured Lil Yachty with a QR code on the back of his jacket.
Scan the QR code using your mobile device to get a free Whopper with delivery on the BK app.
Number 4. In a Sephora store, shop assistants can be seen wearing a QR code on their badges. The QR code redirects scanners to Sephora's Beauty Pass program, where people can sign up for their loyalty program. Number 5. Tesco Home Plus created virtual store in a subway station in South Korea, where people can scan the QR code, and the product automatically lands on their online cart. Once order is done, it will be delivered directly to their home. Number 6. In a museum called Russian Pavilion at Venice Architecture Biennale, where you can find one specific room full of QR codes. In each QR code you scan, it redirects you to a different presentations or a story behind it. Number 7. An MMORPG computer game called Hitman 3, the main character named Agent 47 has been tasked to find and scan all 7 QR codes to see the details and to complete his mission. If you have seen other awesome ideas, put a comment with the link. If you're looking for the most innovative ways you can market your business or brand, subscribe to the QR Tiger channel and learn more how to create and use QR codes successfully.